All right, we've got the Anechoic premium suppressors. We've got some CCI Quiet 22 semi-auto. We've got some CCI Suppressor 22 semi-auto. And first in the magazine, we'll have the Winchester Super Suppressed, 400 rounds there. The Anechoic suppressor is on my Faxon barrel, Ruger 1022. Over here on the four-wheeler, Faxon barrel, Ruger 1022, CCI Quiet, CCI Suppressor, and then Winchester Super Suppressed. We're going to see which ammo sounds the quietest in this 22 from the Faxon barrel Ruger 1022. All right, we've got the Anechoic Anechox-22 on the Faxon pencil barrel Ruger 1022 Charger. And we've got 15 rounds in the magazine. It only holds 25, YouTube. Don't demonetize me. So our first ones are Winchester Super Suppressed. Then we got CCI 45 grain suppressors. And then at the bottom we got the CCI semi-auto quiet ammo. Here we go. A lot of pop with those Winchester rounds. They seem like they're not very consistent. Some will be louder than others. This is not a bad can for first round pop. Here we go, CCI suppressor loads. That was pretty quiet. Here we go, CCI quiet semi-auto loads. And we are empty and clear. What do y'all think? I think that Anechoic suppressor with CCI quiet semi-auto or CCI suppressor loads, very quiet. Guys, tell me what you think in the comments. Discount code Alaskan with Anechoic suppressors.